I made my beautiful card, and I need to mention something. I've used Sarah's signature luxury glitter cardstock for this card, the green one, and unfortunately I didn't like it at all because this cardstock doesn't cut very well. Actually it does cut, but you have a hard time to remove the pieces from the die cut. And I've used my electronic machine Gemini and Gemini MIDI both, and I've had this issue with both of them. This is from my Gemini, and it cut it twice to make sure it did cut, but as you can see, you hardly can remove this. I'm not sure why. You know, it sticks, the pieces stuck there, and probably as you can see, when you try to remove these pieces, some of the backing is coming off. So to me, this is not a high quality cardstock. And for the inside, I used glitter cardstock as well, but I've used it from a cheap paper pad I bought from one of the craft stores, and this one cuts like butter. I haven't had any issue with it. It released really well from the die, and the small pieces came out like nothing. It was really good. And I've used this paper pad for all the glitter cardstock I've used through my channel till now. Anyway, let me show you inside the card. Even though it's blank, I haven't secured this panel very well because I need to remove it and put my son's picture inside here. I've made this card for one of my friend's son, so I want to put my son's picture inside it and write a message for him. Really appreciate you being here. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace out to you.